Alright, for this $20 Walmart challenge that we're about to do here.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so we're walking to the fishing section now. I'm about to get some high quality rods here. And yeah.
What good color? This one?
I mean, I don't care.
I'll get this one.
Alright, so it's like $8.68.
Look at it out.
You pull it out. You know about a rod at Walmart, dude? Yeah. Oh, it's the other side. Alright, so I think I'm either gonna get this one right here. Right, we're gonna get this rod. Oh, okay. Alright, so we picked up this rod. We have I think we have $8.68 left to do this. Okay, so I think I have $8.64 left. So I'm gonna go pick out some hooks. Okay, these are only 88-cent hooks. And since we're on a budget, I might have to just get these. Or I might get these. Those look a little bit sturdier. They're 127. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pick up these instead of the wacky rig hooks. And then pick up a frog. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So that's only 127 off my budget. And yep. And the frog I'm probably gonna get is probably this guy. I don't know. Either this one, the super frog. It's a little big. But I think I'm gonna pick up this one right here. The tsunami frog. $3.96. Right here. I think it's like it's a 5.6. Got 6-pound mono. It's really good. And then we got some Strike King Senkos, some $1.27 hooks, and this retarded looking frog.
Yeah. Alright, I got this frog, some 12-pound mono, these $1.60 something hooks, some curly tails, this nice Zebco rod. Yep. So see you guys when we're at the pond, or we're checking out, and yeah.
Or look up item.
Are we gonna do it separate?
Yeah. We're not including tax. Scan! Why is it scanning?
Key in the item's code or look up item.
It's scanned on here. So it's only $20.80. That's including tax. Quality Zebco rod already good. How do you feel about that Zebco rod? Hyped? Choose that one. Okay. Is that $13 so far? Hey,
Key in the item's
you went over.
or look up item.
Dang, scan that. Yeah, you went way over, bud. Alright, so right now we're walking to the pond, the golf course pond. It's like a 10-minute walk away from Walmart, and we got our nice Walmart rods here. So we're just gonna rig up in this like shady spot right here. We got my 1-ball bearing reel, my 5.6 medium light rod, 6-pound mono on it. Yeah, we're gonna rig up. Okay, so right now we're just throwing this little like wacky rig, Strike King Senko. Reese is getting yigged because he doesn't have any scissors to cut with, and got my 4-year-old frog on. We're gonna try to get some more 4-year-old. Yeah, 4-year-old. Because I wasn't a 4-year-old nigga. So I just hooked up on the first bass. On this like he swallowed it. Oh my, he like really did swallow it, like super down. Oh, Reese just hooked up.
Got this little guy.
Swallowed it.
Friggin' Mondo. How low is it?
Here.
That way.
We got the hook out. He's really skinny. jumping in because he lost his lure, so he's trying to go get it back. I don't know why this is really dumb. He's stupid.
It's a good idea.
No.
Wait, so what?
You think Reese is just gonna do this? Reese is submerged his reel. His A1 reel. Are you gonna put your head under?
Huh?
You gonna put your head under?
I think I'm gonna have to.
Oh my, how deep is it?
Deep.
Are you standing?
No. Oh, bitch. I touched something. That felt like a stick.
This is so funny. What is he doing? What is he doing? What the heck? Why would you do this? This is just for a hook and a freaking curly tip.
You know, that's not the cleanest of water.
Alright, so we only caught like 2 fish today.
It's a terrible day.
Yeah, awful day. We've been out here using these rods,
3 hours.
these poles.
How long have we been?
No, we've been out here longer than that.
Yeah.
So we went to Walmart around 11 o'clock, like 11:30, and then it's 4:10 right now, and we got killed. Reese hooked up with like an 8-pounder, and
Broke
it
my
snapped
line.
him off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. This is total fail of a $20 Walmart fishing challenge. I probably won't be doing this again. It sucked. And yep, peace.